Hi, I'm Kyle.
And I'm Brindy, and this is Brayden and Kate.
And together we create
Extreme Vacation Rentals. So at that point we said, we gotta do this again, and we should take it to the next level. So we looked at all these different markets to go into, and Orlando made sense just because you have tons of fan base of people coming here for the theme parks, and we could do some really cool things. So one thing led to another, and here we are creating Extreme Vacation Rentals in Orlando.
When I first met Brindy, I recognized a very driven, a very ambitious young woman who was going to do big things in the real estate industry. I felt like it was just such an exciting opportunity that we get to be a part of it with her.